Oklahoma. Yeah, before they started at 27 and late, I think they're trying to make it exit for. They're northbound on 11 at Oklahoma. Okay, he's ran it with drugs here. Somebody go! He reversed on the road how he crashed and turned. Yes, run. Stop that dog! 10-9, that last transmission. Don't push him anymore, he's trapped where he's out there. He's still trying to get away from us here. We need MPD here. Take it up, he's not the driver in the car, he's rammed us. Okay, we're going on outside. This guy is still trying to get away, he's coming pretty good.